Hello children, I am your Miss Sahana of UKG. Today in General Awareness, we are going to see safety on road. From your term 3 book, page number 74, we are going to see safety on road. So I am going to tell you some of the safety measures which you have to use when we are walking or going in the road. See the first picture, always walk on the footpath. Can you see the girl walking on the footpath? Yes, we should always walk on the footpath. We should not walk in the middle of the road or in any other places. So we have always, when we go on the road, we should always walk on the footpath. Next, cross the road at a zebra crossing only. Can you see it? Can you see the black and white lines? It is like zebra, right? That's why it is called as the zebra crossing. So whenever you are crossing the road, we have to stand on the zebra crossing and then only cross the road. You have to look at both the sides of the road. You have to look on the left and right side of the road, and then you have to cross only at the zebra crossing. What is the next one? Hold an elder's hand while crossing the road. Yes, this is the most important thing. Whenever you go on road, whenever you walk on road, you have to always have one elder with you and you have to hold their hands and then only walk. You should not leave the hand and walk. Okay? Likewise, you have to, while crossing, you have to hold the hands of your mom or dad or your sisters or anyone, your grandparents. You have to hold their hand and then only you have to cross the road. Next, do not hide behind the vehicles. We should not hide behind their vehicles because they don't know whether the people are standing on the vehicle. So they may take the vehicle and you also can get hurt. So what is it? Do not hide behind the vehicles. Next, do not run behind the vehicle. Yes, you should not always run behind the vehicle because the vehicle can hurt you. You can also fall down and also can get hurt, or some other vehicle can come at your back and also they can hit you. So you should not run behind the vehicle. Next, so what is the last point? Do not play on the road. So this is the most important line, children. You should always not play on the road. We should only play inside our home or next to our home, but we should not play in the middle of the road or anywhere in the road. So this is the most dangerous thing we all do. So do not play on the road. So these are the safety on road, safety measures to be done. Hello children, I am your Miss Sahana of UKG. Today in General Awareness, we are going to see the lesson Our Country. From your term 3 book, page number 84, Our Country. India is our country. This is a map of India. Can you see the map of India? Yes, this is the map of India. We live in India, right? So it is the 7th largest country by land area. It is in the South Asia and it is the 7th largest country by the land. So totally there are 447 languages spoken in India. Can you imagine how many people speak how many languages? So we speak Tamil, English, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu. So there are likewise there are totally 447 languages, and the capital of India is New Delhi. What is the capital of India? It is New Delhi. So this is the map of India. Next, flag of India, page number 85, flag of India. So this is the national flag of India. It is also called the tricolor. It has the Ashok Chakra at the center. So what is it called? This is the national flag of India and it is also called tricolor because it has 3 colors. What are the colors? See, saffron, orange. Saffron, it is also called as orange. See the first one, it is the saffron. Then we have white color. Then at last we have the green color. So this is how our Indian map is. So that's why it is called tricolor. Because it has 3 colors in it, it is called tricolor. Then we have the Ashok Chakra. Can you see the middle part? It is the Ashok Chakra. It is blue in color and it has totally 24 wheels. Can you see? Yes, this is the Ashok Chakra. So this is the national flag of India. Next, color the flag of India and write the names of the color in the boxes. So you have to carefully see what are the colors. See the first box, it is orange, saffron. Next, white. In the middle, Ashok Chakra, you have the blue color. Then you have the green color. So you have to carefully see what are the colors, color it and write the names of the color in the box. Okay children, this is a homework for you. Next, page number 86, national symbols. So we have the national flag. We saw the national flag. Now we are going to see the national symbols of India. What is the first one? This is the national emblem. What is it? It is the national emblem of India. Next, rupees, national currency. So all the countries have different rupees. Different national currencies like dollars, dirhams. So for India, it is rupee. What is it, children? Rupee. So rupee is the national currency of India. Next, the national animal is Bengal tiger. We all know that, no? So the national animal of India is Bengal tiger. Next, we have the national fruit is, what is it? Mango. What is the national fruit of India? Mango. Our national bird is peacock. What is our national bird? Peacock. National flower is lotus. What is our national flower? Lotus. National river of India is Ganga. It is located in the northern side of India. What is it? The national river of India, Ganga. National water animal is river dolphin. What is it, children? River dolphin. Then our national tree is banyan tree. What is our national tree? Banyan tree. So these are the national symbols of India. Next, page number 87. Look at the picture. Circle the symbols of India. So you have to look. See the first one, what is it? It is the mango. So what is the mango? It is the national fruit of India, right? So you have to circle it. Likewise, you have to see what is it? This is a parrot. Is that any national emblem? A symbol? No. So you should not circle it. Likewise, you have to see other pictures and circle only the national symbols. Next, look at the pictures and write the names. So you have to look at the pictures and write the names in the given blank. Okay children, this is also a homework for you. Thank you children.